Welcome to PocketWise. What if I told you that artificial intelligence can help you make money while you sleep? From smart investments to automated side hustles, AI is rewriting the rules of personal finance in 2025. In this video, I'll reveal 7 proven ways to make money with AI that anyone can start, whether you're a beginner or a finance pro. Stick with me until the end because I'll share a bonus strategy that could give you a massive edge in this AI-driven economy. Segment 1. AI Investing Tools. AI-driven apps like Betterment, Wealthfront, and ChatGPT-powered trading bots can analyze stock trends, crypto patterns, and ETFs faster than humans. Benefit: automated risk management. Example: setting up an AI robo-advisor that automatically invests your paycheck into diversified portfolios. This means your money grows even when you're not watching the market. Segment 2. AI Side Hustles. Use AI to create side hustles online. AI tools like ChatGPT plus Canva create ebooks or digital products. Jasper.ai, blog writing for clients. Midjourney plus AI tools. Sell stock photos or art. Average freelancers are charging $50 to $300 per project using AI-assisted work. Segment 3. AI Content Creation. AI can help you build a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog quickly. Script writing with ChatGPT, thumbnail generation with AI art tools, video editing automation tools. This lets you create content at scale, leading to ad revenue, sponsorships, and passive income. Segment 4. AI in freelancing platforms. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are booming with AI-related gigs. AI chatbot setup for businesses, AI-powered SEO optimization, AI data analysis. Businesses are paying freelancers who understand AI tools, even if they're not coding experts. Segment 5. AI money-making apps. Some apps help you earn daily income with AI. Honeygame. Earn passive income by sharing unused internet. AI trading bots. Automate crypto trading. Segment 6. AI plus e-commerce. AI tools can help automate your online store. ChatGPT, write product descriptions. Midjourney, generate product designs. AI chatbots, handle customer support. Dropshipping, plus AI, less manual work, higher profits. Segment 7. The Future of Finance with AI. 17D19Z. AI is shaping future banking, investing, and personal finance. Predictive AI for credit scoring. AI-powered budgeting apps like Clio and Mint. Virtual financial advisors replacing traditional planners. By adopting AI early, you stay ahead of the curve. Bonus tip plus CTA, bonus strategy. AI plus affiliate marketing use AI to build blogs, YouTube videos, and reviews that drive affiliate sales. Minimal effort, long-term income stream. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. PocketWise for more videos on finance, AI, and money-making. Drop a comment. Which AI money-making idea will you try first?